How's it going, guys? So I have changed most of my printer's nozzles that they came with to be a bigger nozzle size, and I just want to talk about that for a sec because I know most people just keep their nozzles the same as what it comes with. For example, this is my ANYCUBIC, and its nozzle, it's kind of disgusting right now, but it comes with a 0.4 millimeter nozzle, and I changed it to a 0.8 millimeter. I actually when I first got it, I changed it to a 1 millimeter nozzle, which is huge. But this is with a 0.8. This is a battery holder that I have that I altered a little bit, the design that I got online. And it's not a flawless print, but it definitely is functional, and it prints a lot faster. I actually print them on, this is my Anet A8 that I have right here. You can see I did just some funny little wiring things going on right now, but so this one also came with a 0.4 millimeter nozzle, and I changed it to a 0.8. And so I used to print these battery holders with a 0.4 millimeter nozzle, and it would take it almost 3 hours, and now it takes it under 45 minutes. So it is a huge difference, and it just increases productivity, and it works well. So when you don't care so much about, yeah, there's my my last print that I did right there. The hairspray that's left over from that. Anyway, that's I guess when you don't care so much about cosmetics and you only care about functionality, a larger nozzle works wonders. So thanks for watching, guys. That was just a quick one today. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like, and we will see you in the next one.